And now we're going to head to the beach and the pool, so that means it's time to get rid of the really good camera.
And switch to the GoPro. And head down to Waikiki Beach. Say, with the Royal Hawaiian back here, it's beautiful, but man, we've never had the chance to actually swim in Waikiki before. The water is so warm. It's beautiful. We just finished over in the Pacific Ocean. Let's go check out the pool.
Should I go down the slide?
So it's a little busy here.
That's not as much fun as you'd think. We just got back from the pool and the ocean pool.
That water was so comfortable. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I've ever been in water temperature that was so nice.
It was really nice, and it was fun to just float out there and ride in the waves. And
I don't think I've ever really seen you enjoy the waves as much.
That was fun. I won't say it's calm, but it's easy to navigate and manage. So we're just bouncing around out there. The Sheraton pool's a little wild for us.
Yeah, we went over to the pool at the Sheraton, which is right next to the Royal Hawaiian, but they do share it. And it was more kids splashing in a tight space. Also, the pool was heated.
It was warmer than the ocean.
Yeah, and because the air had cooled down, it was actually not as comfortable.
Yes.
The ocean water against the real air temp was much more comfortable. But it is Hawaii, so the weather doesn't swing as much.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And now we're just standing here in our room, and I don't think we mentioned at any point, we may or may not get to a room tour, but we were given the opportunity to switch rooms. We are on the top floor now, which It's not crazy. It's the 6th floor of the historic tower. We're on the top floor. We have views right up over Waikiki to the mountains, and the clouds are coming right over with the misty evening rain. So I'll show you that. But in the meantime, we also have to get ready to head out for dinner.
Wherever.
No idea where we're going.
Wherever. We'll figure it out. It's Hawaii.